Hi everyone, today let's talk about China. Do me a quick favor and like and subscribe and watch the video till the end to help out the channel, and let's get started. So China had their best day since 2008, and do we think they can keep up these kind of gains? China has been struggling for sure. They've been in decline, their population is in decline, but what that doesn't mean is that stocks can't rally, at least in the short term. They may seem a little bit overbought after the massive rally that they've seen, but they were so oversold that it seems like there's more move to the upside. You can see valuations here still very, very cheap, especially relative to their peers. And there are certainly reasons for that. Obviously, these companies are in China, so they have to deal with the Chinese government, which is obviously a huge geopolitical risk. And I wouldn't necessarily say that we need to buy and hold these stocks for a long time, but in the short term, there's definitely a meaningful recovery coming, especially after the news that China is going to inject a ton of money into the economy. And whether that has long-lasting effects to actually boost the economy, it's hard to say, but Chinese stocks are definitely feeling that move. So what happened? Chinese blue chip stocks up around 25%, major indices up 8% on Monday alone. You can see huge spikes here. We've been talking about it on the channel at least a couple of times now, but there's been a huge move. Remember, Chinese economy is struggling with deflation. GDP is deflating. So again, Chinese economy versus Chinese stocks, not necessarily the same beast, but historically, when you get these very, very low levels on the GDP deflator year over year, that is kind of a bottoming of markets, and then you see a reacceleration, at least over the past couple of decades. And like I mentioned, they did announce a huge stimulus package, including cuts to interest rates, mortgage rates, releasing $114 billion in financing. And they also have a plan to stem the property market falling and facilitate its stabilization. So we'll see how all of that plays. There's also another $280 billion here in bonds to help finance this package. And as a result, people are rushing into Chinese stocks. They think they're going to go higher on the back of this news. And typically that's fair. As GDP starts to rise, you can see stocks rally first off the back of that stimulus, and then we see them continue to rise as GDP goes up. So that's what people are hoping for right now. Is it an opportunity? Stocks have already jumped 20%, but they are so oversold. I think there's probably more in it. Again, short term, probably a little extended. You can see we haven't hit levels like this since all the way back here in 2014, 2015 in terms of relative strength and the fear and greed index. So definitely extended in the short term, but doesn't mean it can't go higher. In terms of opportunities, we've been talking about the yin, which is a triple leveraged. You could also get into the MSCI or MCHI. A couple of opportunities there. Either way, I think there's going to be some more to go. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about the Chinese economy and the most recent Chinese stimulus. Is the stock market going to continue to go higher even after these massive rallies? Or should we be patient in the short term and look for a better price? Definitely like and subscribe if you got any value out of this video, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. Good luck in your trading and have a great day.